Hey guys, and welcome to TSO Crypto. Today, we're gonna be talking about, can the Bitcoin rally continue? Thank you for being here. Again, this is your one-stop source for all technical related needs. Let's get on and look at market cap. What is happening with the market cap? Well, we've seen that we had a rally on Friday going up 9.40%. Again, not bad. We got above that $2 trillion mark, which is really good. We broke out of this falling channel, and now we should be looking for a measure move to be hit, and that would be something like this. And upon breaking, we should be looking for a hit of approximately $2.24 trillion for market cap. Again, we're above that $2 trillion mark, and right now we are within this area of support resistance. Hopefully, we can continue going higher. Let's go check out the Bitcoin dominance at 42.59% of market cap. Again, it's looking a little bit off here. It's calculating by TradingView, and when things get calculated, sometimes they go off. And what we can see here is that it looks as though we gapped down quite a bit and we recovered. I think there's some bad data here. Let's just say we did move up, and right now we're starting to move back down. Let's go check out the price of Bitcoin. So on this chart, we can see that Bitcoin rejected being within this area. We talked about that 2 days ago. I'm going to post a video up there in the corner. And what we can see is that we're getting above that 20 moving average, which is good. That's a move we were looking for. And let's go and check out the chart that we usually look at. Now, this is a chart we usually look at. We broke out of this trend line resistance. We're moving up. Very nice. We went above 43,923, above 45,467, and above 46,801. So we're sitting around $47,585. And right now we're starting to consolidate. So where can we go? Consolidation can get us to go down a bit, so we could be coming back down to that $46,801 mark. If we do, again, it doesn't have to be a quick drop. We can flag a little bit. We can move some today, some tomorrow, maybe some Monday, flag a little bit, and then run back up. The movement that Bitcoin's making is extremely bullish. It's reclaiming its previous areas of value back here, and as we can see, we're not quite double topping, but getting very, very close to the same area up here. And what I'm looking for is maybe some rejection, come back down here and pop again. However, Bitcoin is bullish enough that it could run from where it's at, right? We could be getting a slight movement down and then run tomorrow throughout the day, or even run Sunday. But consolidation would be very good. After a nice impulse up, we want to consolidate and then continue and resume to the upside. It gives people a chance to getting at these levels, and that is what we're looking for. On the 4-hour chart, we just started to climb again. Very nice. Last thing we had here was a strong bullish divergence. Like we said, came back down, fell to close lower than the previous low here, and we're getting that same continuation to the upside. There's nothing bearish happening right now. The consolidation that we're making is not the one I want to see. It's upsloping right now, and upsloping consolidation gets us to break down. So on the RSI, we are overbought at 70.13, and pointing down a bit, that means that we should still be looking for action on downside, and this would lead me to believe that we could be looking for a hit of $46,801. However, if Bitcoin goes to that zone, we're probably going to try to go for a rally again, finding support. Hopefully we can find support at 46,801. If we drop there, we're probably going to go and try to find support at $45,467. Let's go and check the 1 hour chart. 1 hour for Bitcoin. Bullish divergence, right? Action to the upside. We had that one yesterday. It was hidden bullish. Look, we didn't draw it yesterday when we were live. We had here the bearish divergence for action to downside. We came here. We're holding on to that support line at the 20 moving average. Found support, started the rally, and broke $43,923. That was good. Finding support with the hidden divergence gave us the boost that we needed to get the price to go higher. Now we're coming from a high point to a higher point, creating strong bearish divergence, and with that, the possibility for action to the downside. On the live stream, I said we could go for the 20 moving average. Right now, Bitcoin's still moving down. Even if we get to that 20 moving average, we're still going to be having this hidden bullish divergence, and with that, the possibility for a bounce at the 20, or at least try to hold the 20 moving average as a potential support. Let's go check out Ethereum. Ethereum on the daily at 3,280. What are we doing? We don't have anything on the technicals. We're bouncing with Bitcoin. That is good. We're getting above that 382 and heading for that $3,324 resistance. We hit it yesterday. We rejected it. We're rejecting again today. That means we could be coming back down to 382, maybe even the 20 moving average at $3,157, and see if we can go for a bounce there. There's nothing else happening here in the technicals. Neutral at 53.12 on the RSI, pointing sideways, suggesting indecision. Let's go and check the 4-hour chart. Ethereum on the 4-hour, we had this potential double bottom breaking to the upside. We hadn't gone for that measure move. Remember, I talked about that yesterday. We haven't gone for the measure move. We hit it today with this move. Very nice. Kept on rallying, following Bitcoin again. Went all the way up here, 3,324. Rejected. Right now, we're trying to see where we're going to go. There's nothing bearish happening here. Bought at 68.03. On the 1-hour chart for Ethereum, we had the bearish divergence. We had this hidden bullish action to the upside. Held at 20, pop with Bitcoin and company, creating strong bearish divergence for action to the downside. starting to move down. On the stream, we were looking at this hidden bullish, which we still have. And what we're looking for here is a potential hit of that 20 moving average and try to hold with the hidden bullish and try to rally from there again, potentially trying to break $3,324. We're bought at 63.08, and that is going to be it for Ethereum. Now let's go check out COTI. COTI on the daily, where are we at? We had strong bearish divergence. We can see it a little bit better on this chart. Strong bearish moving down, rejecting the 2618 on this chart, which is not bad. Again, we talked about that move yesterday in the video. I said that we were looking for us to stay around that 1.618. We did break below it. That's not what I wanted. I went for it to hit and bounce. We broke slightly below, so that 1618 at 59.68 cents is going to become a resistance. On that note, there's not a lot happening besides the bearish divergence. We're still neutral at 59.87, pointing sideways, showing some indecision. Let's go check out the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour, what are we getting? Hidden bullish divergence. With that, possibility for stagnation, maybe action to the upside, and that could get us to reclaim that 1618. Not too bad. Primary target, the 1618 here at 59.80 cents, and then above there we have the 20 moving average at 61.07 cents. If we do get above there, we're probably going to be heading for the 65.70 cent mark, which we already rejected a couple days ago. Neutral, 45.99. Let's go check out the 1-hour chart. On the 1-hour chart, what do we have? Look, yesterday we were looking for this divergence. It was 9 p.m. Look, we dropped more. We dropped more here as well, and we lost it against the RSI. And on that note, we created strong bullish, pumped, rejection on bearish divergence, hidden, and with that, the possibility for stagnation, maybe action to the downside. We did drop a bit, coming back down below the zone. Now we're creating strong bullish against the RSI and the MACD. Remember, on the MACD, we always anchor from the highest point on the previous island to the highest point on the current island. And with that, we can see that we have strong bullish divergence and possibility for action to the upside. So strong bullish against the MACD and the RSI. And if Bitcoin and the market allows, COTI should be looking for some action to the upside. Guys, that's going to be it for today. Thank you very much for being here. Thank you for watching. Thank you for leaving us a comment, like, hitting the sub. Remember, this is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. This is all for entertainment and educational purposes only. Please don't trade based on what you see here. We're just discussing ideas. This is TSO Crypto. I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition. Until then,